Today, we will talk about earn money from real estate. If you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio, add another source of income, or both, real estate can be a viable choice for growing your money. People may overlook real estate investments because they assume they'll need to produce a substantial amount of cash upfront to get started, or they don't have enough knowledge on the subject. Luckily, there are various ways one can invest in real estate, depending on your experience level and current finances. In this video, we've outlined 7 different strategies to consider. Why invest in real estate? Real estate properties are worthy investments because they tend to appreciate over time. When you're investing in real estate, you're putting your money down and allowing it to grow in the future. This pertains to the structure, be it a house, apartment building, or commercial property, but even more so, the land it sits on. 7 ways you can make money in real estate. 1. Put a spare room up for rent. If you're interested in getting into real estate investment but need to start small, you could get your feet wet by renting out a spare room in your home. The internet has made it very easy for transactions like this. Sites like Ebooks allow you to post a listing for your available room so interested parties can seamlessly browse and book. You can also post such information to social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. Room rentals are a nice way to get started because there is little investment involved. It's also much more flexible. You set the price per night as well as the availability. You could rent the room out to a tenant for a month or maybe just a weekend. If you decide you no longer want to rent it out, you simply take the listing off any sites you posted it to. 2. Long-term renting. Another great real estate investment option is to acquire buy and hold properties. In this case, an investor buys a property for the purpose of selling it down the line once its value has increased substantially. In the interim, the investor can rent the property out as a means to make additional income on it. When buying a property for its resale value, especially if your plan is to rent it out, remember that the location is everything. Location typically dictates the value of a property, so you want to invest in areas with higher real estate value. Investment prices will be steeper, but so will the returns. Narrow down the areas you want to invest in and do your homework on each. Find out if there are any older, more run-down homes that you can buy for a cheaper price and then fix up. 3. Vacation rentals. A vacation rental property falls somewhere between room rentals and buy and hold properties. It's a property that you purchase and own outright, but is considered a short-term rental property as the rental period that a tenant can book is typically 30 days or less. These are typically a solid source of income because vacation destinations, beachfront cities like Miami and San Diego, or ski towns like Aspen, have value all year round. As with any type of real estate investment, vacation rentals do have their share of setbacks to be wary of. The better your property does in terms of bookings, the more money and effort you'll have to put into managing it. Making sure appliances are up to date and working well, fixing any wear and tear, etc. 4. Fix and flip houses. The fix and flip strategy in real estate investment focuses on buying houses at a lower price and then renovating them to resell for a profit. In this case, you're basically giving an old house a makeover to increase its value and attract buyers to it. This is a strategy better suited for those with more experience in real estate investing, as it can be quite risky and requires a strong knowledge of the renovation process. Every fix and flip property requires its own renovation budget. Your purchasing decisions will be made based on your ability to evaluate and estimate the various renovation costs associated with a given property to ensure it is within your allocated budget. That said, many times unexpected costs arise during the renovation process. 5. Try online real estate platforms. Online real estate investing platforms work by connecting investors to people who are looking for funding for their income-generating real estate projects. Investors come together online, pool funds, and invest in a commercial or residential property in exchange for profits. This type of arrangement is also known as real estate crowdfunding. Investors who are using online real estate platforms expect to get an income from their investments, either monthly or quarterly, depending on the agreement. The downside of using online real estate platforms is that you may have to be approved as an accredited investor before you can invest. In other words, to qualify for the investment, you must have earned at least $200,000 in annual income for the past 2 years, or have a net worth of at least $1 million as an individual or combined with your spouse's net worth. 6. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, work by pooling investors to generate funds that can be used to purchase or fund income-generating properties. REITs are companies that own several real estate properties like commercial buildings, apartment complexes, or hotel buildings. Buying stock from those companies allows you to enter the real estate investment market without actually owning the property. REITs are attractive to investors for multiple reasons. Since you don't own the properties you invest in, you are free from the responsibilities of maintaining them. REITs usually pay higher compared to other investments. This is because companies must cash out 90% of their taxable income and distribute it to their investors through dividends. When you invest in REITs, you can choose to reinvest your income from REITs back, which grows your investment and income even further. 7. Invest in commercial real estate. Commercial real estate properties are a great strategy for people looking to invest in larger projects like office buildings, shopping centers, retail stores, salons, healthcare facilities, hotels, etc. for income-generating reasons. With commercial real estate, you'll generally earn money through the leases of your tenants. The amount would be agreed upon beforehand, which is usually on a dollar per square foot basis of the rented space. You can then collect the payment monthly or annually. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.